Hello, I'm James D and this is Windows Insider Preview build 174. I'm a typical Windows 7 user, however I use different technical preview builds of Windows 10 for quite some time, a couple months already, so I am pretty familiar with this operating system. And there are some usability problems which looks like Microsoft isn't going to resolve. And that's why I'm creating this video. So, let's go. Let's open Start menu. It's pretty nice looking and finally you can resize it. Not as quite you would like to, because it resizes group-like, one group, two groups. That's not quite what everybody would like. I would like to have a possibility to use two groups, three groups, four groups, but for me three groups are ideal. So it has really nice look, but what is about usability? First, I created a group shortcuts. It looks nice. However, I like when all space is used optimal. So what gonna be if I, let's say, delete this name? Nothing. This space, this area is still used by nothing, by these two lines, and it didn't become thinner. Well, I believe this feature would be better if I do not want to call or to give a name to any group. Why wouldn't you become thinner, this line? Okay, whatever. Let's call it and let's close eyes on this for now. What's next? Oh yes, this is Russian build, Russian language, sorry for that, but trust me, it's most often used shortcut menu, which I pretty don't like. In Windows 7 I could put anything I want, but I can't. I can't put anything I want in this list. But, well, fine, let's close our eyes on this too. Please, please, please disable this alphabet. I don't want this alphabet to see. It takes too much space and it's not useful. I would rather see half of this space but full of these lines, full of these shortcuts. It would be way easier to navigate and search. Oh yes, you probably noticed that I'm using task panel not horizontally but vertically. Well, vertical way is my favorite. So let's see what problems can meet average user which also likes vertical way of task panel. First, in Windows 7 this is the same, unfortunately. You cannot make this task panel thinner, unfortunately. As for me, it's quite sick. I would like to make it thinner, but I can't. Even if I make these buttons smaller, which is an option. But I can't. Okay, what's next? Oh, probably you could use sensor touch keyboard. Touch keyboard, here it is. Oh yeah, that's a bug. You have to press touch keyboard button twice before it appears, and that's how it looks like. Quite big for me, you know. Maybe for a tablet, full HD tablet, that would be pretty nice, but for a Windows PC user, that's quite big for me and I can't resize it. And that's not an only problem which it has. As you probably found, there is no number pad. Typical number pad, not additional, which is on the right side. So you could use this, but why not to give me an option? Oh yeah, there is an option. Let's look at it. No, we don't have an option. It's called standard keyboard layout, which is grayed out. For some reason, Microsoft decided that standard keyboard layout is useless for average PC user which doesn't have touch screen or tablet. Well, for me, I believe that typical keyboard is exactly what is needed for a PC, you know, even if it doesn't have a touch screen. Well, I do not like these artificial limitations, so I use some tweak and open it. Yes, So here it is. Now it's not grayed out and it looks quite wide now. Don't you think so? And now I definitely ain't able to use it as I got used to. For example, with amplifier. Where are you? Okay, here it is. You see, usually when I sit on the chair in 6 feet from computer, I like to use this amplifier, magnifier, and now I can't use both magnifier and keyboard because I don't see even a half of this keyboard, which kinda disturbs. Sorry I took much time talking about this keyboard, but this is very important feature for me. So let's give me 1 minute more. Here is a comparison. As you can see, it's not fake. This size, comparison size, which I print screened, is real. Here you see. Nice touch panel from Windows 7 and with resizing options. I can resize it and it stays the size I set it up even after a reboot. Also, it is transparent. You see? So I see what is behind, but here I see big ugly, behemoth-sized, big ugly keyboard and with another suggestion box, black box, where you can see some suggestions to pick words. This is not what I would like to have. I would like to have this one. And that's not all, trust me. Let me show you. Also, I don't like that it's quite flat, cubic, square-like design. I would like my Windows 7 on-screen keyboard. So, that's not all. You see this keyboard? I don't like it, so I created another one. This panel, which I like way more. Yes, this one. I created it because it's way easier to press. It's way bigger button than this. I don't get why can't I do the same. On Windows 7 it's even bigger. If I increase space, then I can click anywhere, like here, and I still would launch keyboard. What's next? This notification bar. As you see, keyboard is wide enough button, but notification one is small square, so if I press here or here, I can't click it, which is a big bug as for me. Okay, well, it's pretty beautiful. What I like here is brightness menu. This is very, very useful. Thanks for that. Windows 10 doesn't have many advantages, but this one is one of those. I don't get this because I'm trying to press and I don't see full line of text. That's kind of strange. I believe it is a bug which probably will be fixed in the final version. Oh yes, Explorer. Let's go to my computer now. Trust me, it's written this PC or this computer in English. Well, let me change it to my computer. That's how I used to. Yes, that's how I used to. So let's open it, and as you see, name is already changed here too, and here, and not here. This one is still not changed. Another bug. I don't like this PC. It's, like Captain Obvious. Of course, it's this PC, not that. Not another one, and not that on the table. It's this PC, because I'm on this PC. Then why the hell are you calling this PC? Call it PC or my PC or my computer. Another feature which I don't like, or more like bug, not a feature. So, oh yeah, Explorer. Okay, 1, 2. Oh, where is the Details tab? Yes, here it is, Details pane. Now it is on the side, which kind of disturbs me. It takes all size from the side. And let's watch how was it on Windows 7. Here it is. You see, this wasn't present here, it was present here, and it was very useful. You could see, if you press on some file, you can see details like size, date, modified, right? And I don't get why would they choose to put it on this side. I would like Microsoft to change this, or at least give an option to a user to set this details pane on the bottom, not on the right side. There are many different programs for Windows 8, or yeah, Old New Explorer, for example, which would let you that, but they do not work on Windows 10 for now. And why wouldn't Microsoft do it itself? Just give us usability we like since Windows 7. What's next? Oh yeah, folders. I really don't get those idea to put these folders here, because I already have them here and here and here. Library. That's what I like to see, library. And I can't. Can I move it? No, I can't. No, trust me, I can't move library above this fast access or OneDrive or my computer. Another changed name of my computer, but not here. Here you go. Okay, I believe these folders are totally useless and I would like to delete them. Actually, I can through registry hack, but after some time they appear again. And I don't like this fast access anyway, this panel. I'd like older one, which was in Windows 7, because in older one new folders wouldn't appear here. I don't get why some new folders appear here. Trust me, if you open some folders many times, they will appear here too. What I like in Windows 10, what I like is this benchmark. I like to play Metro Redux 233, and as you can see, this is Windows 10 and this is Windows 7 with drops in frame rates. Here you are. Oh yeah, that's a comparison I already made. Ha! You see, these drops and this graphs is way better. Windows 7, Windows 10, 12, 13 frame rate minimum and almost 4 minimum. Yeah, looks like Microsoft is creating better DirectX. It's just on Metro Last Light, which likes to use processor very much, and perhaps this is one of those reasons this graphs is better. Oh yeah, this recycle bin icon. There was a comparison with this icon and Windows 98. They are almost identical. Why not to use Windows 7 one, which is very nice and more transparent? I don't know. That's practically all. Let me tell you again. I want Microsoft to change this default touch keyboard. Make it transparent, make these buttons more rounded and with some edge. Trust me, using mouse is not very comfortable. I saw a movie American Sniper and there was such phrase: if you aim in something small, then you may miss it, but you don't miss very far from this target and you will still hit in the bigger target. So when I try to hit one button, well, I may miss it and I may be distracted of how small this black line is and how fast appears light from next button. It kinda distracts me. So, and I can't resize it. And I have to use registry hack to enable this option, and it kinda lags, as you notice. Yeah, you see, lags a lot, which I also would like. Make it bigger button, please. And this one button is very narrow. Please make it wider too, Microsoft. Let us resize, not like this, but full resize feature capability. Let us use this. Let us put shortcuts here, which we want. We cannot use it for now. And okay, sorry that this video became too long, and Thank you very much for looking at. Goodbye.